5th of November, bonfire night. So I'm planning on getting a bit of rubbish burnt off if I can today. Weather's a bit iffy, looks like it might rain, but hopefully it won't, and I'll get a few bits of rubbish cleared. So before we get round to any bonfire firing, we've done a little bit of harvesting. So we've got some more of our below zero leeks. We've got a couple of cabbages, a Savoy and a normal cabbage, a few of our Albion strawberries to see if we can get them to ripen at home, and Sue's managed a few dahlias and some croissants. Amazed the dahlias are still about because it was 1.1 degrees last night. Not quite an air frost, but definitely a ground frost. I'll put the cabbage varieties at the bottom because I'm not exactly sure which ones they are. I've got together a load of our rubbish that I want to see if I can get burnt. It's really all old dead staking. It's now too brittle to use, so I'm hoping I can get most of this burnt and out of the way, because later on through winter, once all the leaves have gone, I intend to bring down our 2 hazels, coppice those and use those again for pea sticks and canes and things for runner beans. Well, after some trouble getting it going, stage 1's gone really well. I don't know whether it's going to burn through the long bits that are stuck out, or whether when it cools down a bit I'll have to get in and push them into the middle of the fire, but at the minute it's burning pretty well and it's pretty hot anywhere near it. So I'm going to leave it for a few minutes and see what happens. Question of getting all the odds and ends on now. Burnt really well. Got rid of some extra stuff. I got rid of all that pile of rubbish that was here, plus some old fencing panels that had once been part of our compost heap. So they've all gone as well. That's about 6 sort of 3x6 fencing panels have all gone on there. They've all disappeared into that lovely wood ash. I've got tidy up around the edges. We can have a cup of coffee now while this burns a bit, because it's a bit tricky getting anywhere near that. It's a bit hot to say the least. Getting dark now, but we've managed to keep stoking the fire up with bits and pieces. But I think now it's just about dark. We're going to leave this to burn out before we head home and have some dinner. More a test of video, it's just about dark now. Just going to wait until the flames die down and there's just some red embers, and then we'll leave it. Have a look tomorrow what's left, but don't think there'll be much. Don't think it's going to do any damage and spread anywhere. There's very little left to burn there. It's just hot ashes, so we're going to leave it now. I'm sure there'll be a lot worse left overnight as bonfires than that. I'll come back and have a look and see what's left tomorrow. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.